Downloading your account data from Facebook is a straightforward process that allows you to keep a record of your information. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Open your web browser and go to the Facebook website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on the downward-facing arrow in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to your Facebook information. In the left sidebar of the settings page, find and click on your Facebook information. This section contains options related to your data and privacy. Step 4. Choose Download Your Information. Look for the option labeled Download Your Information. Click on it to proceed to the data download page, where you can select the specific data you want to download. Step 5. Select Data and request download. On the download page, you can choose the date range, format, and types of data you want to include. After making your selections, click on the Create File button to request your data download. You will be notified when your file is ready for download. By following these steps, you can successfully download your Facebook account data. Make sure to check your notifications for when your file is ready and keep your data secure.